No, I don't design. A lot of people ask that. They think I design. I'm like, no, but they probably just don't know. So the business of fashion, and if I don't know if like people would know, the business of fashion is its own course in school.
Oh, okay.
And then fashion design is a totally different thing. So that's the creative aspect of when you have a designer, that's someone who's creative.
Okay.
That's the creative aspect of fashion. I am into the business aspect of fashion.
Okay.
So that is seeing something or being able to identify something that I can buy for $10
and selling it for
$30, $40 to $50.
Okay.
So I'm into that side. So I buy things wholesale from different brands, put collections together and present them that way to sell them for the maximum profit. Okay.
So how do you go about finding designers then for your company?
So this is gems I'm dropping, but that's okay.
That's why we're here.
So a lot of people think it's like China, like, you know.
I was going to ask you if it's Alibaba, to be honest.
No.
Really? Okay, so let us know.
Okay, so I disconnected from China a long time ago. I had a lot of experience with China. I dealt with China a lot in my younger days when I was doing a lot of my research and designing, because before I was a designer. So I was designing my own pieces. Oh,
so you know that side as well. Okay.
I was creating and designing. Now I'm into the business side of it, the retail aspect of it. Yeah. China, there's a lot of cons for me with China. The language barrier, the timing is different.
Yeah, the timing's a lot.
It's different. It's very different. Quality control is a big thing.
Yeah.
Sizing is a big thing. We're in the Western world. They're smaller. So between those four big cons, I was like, China's not for me. And I wanted to, one thing that I said is I never wanted to get into a situation where I was lacking traffic. So this is where our locations are always in a mall. So traffic was not ever supposed to be a thing, because I've seen traffic drive people crazy. Yeah. The lack of traffic. Yeah. Being in a plaza, being where you have to drive your own traffic 100%. It's hard. Okay. It's the hardest thing. So I avoided that by being in high traffic places. Okay. So that was already just an easier thing for me. But I get my product from LA.
Oh, wow. Okay. Gang. That's a big gem.
Big gem. So I get my product from LA. There is, for anybody wanting to start or, do retail, there is a huge, the world's biggest fashion district in Los Angeles, in downtown Los Angeles. And all of the fast fashion wholesalers of the world, from China, from Vietnam, from Mexico, all over, they position their product in those vendors, with those vendors and those wholesalers. So imagine like downtown, like a couple blocks of just wholesalers. So it's like you're shopping
in LA,
but it's wholesale. Yeah.
And they are those prices competitive with the Alibaba ones?
Absolutely.